How to add a YouTube link to your Instagram bio. If you're a content creator or someone who wants to drive more traffic to your YouTube channel, then this video is for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, grab your smartphone and open up the Instagram app, just like I have opened right now. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to add the YouTube link. So right now I've already logged into my account. Once you're on the Instagram profile, you'll notice that there's a button that says edit profile. Tap on this button, you would get the links option. You will notice that you also get the bio option, and I have added my YouTube channel link here. If I tap on it, you'll see I've added my YouTube channel's link here, as well as I have the links option here. If I tap on the links option, it gives me the option to add multiple links. You guys notice that I've added my YouTube channel here, but the way you add it, tap on the add external link button. We have the add URL option here. So this is where we need to add the link. How do we copy this link? We need to go to the YouTube app for that. Let's open up the YouTube application. This is the main homepage of the YouTube app. You would see your profile picture on the top right corner. Tap on your profile picture and you would get the your channel option here. Tap your channel and it'll take you to your channel's homepage. Once you're on this page, on the top right corner, you're going to see these three dots. Tap on the three dots and you'll get the share option. Tap share and you get the copy link option here. Copy link, and it tells you that the link is copied already. That's all we need to do on the YouTube app. Let's go back to Instagram now. And this is the option where we need to add this link, URL. Tap here, paste the link that you copied from there, and then give it a title. So for example, I can give it any title. I can say YouTube, I can say Facebook, Instagram. So you can copy those links from there and give them titles. So for example, this is a YouTube link. So I would type YouTube. And that's it. All I need to do is now I just need to tap done and it'll be added. I already have it added, so I'm not going to add it again. Once you've added the link, it's going to show up like this. Let's go back on the profile and I'll show you how it looks on the profile. Now, if you see the profile, the name appears on the top along with the bio, and below that, you can see the YouTube link that we've added. If anyone taps on this YouTube link, you'll see that it takes us to YouTube and opens up our actual YouTube account. From here, all your audience needs to do is just tap subscribe and they can subscribe to your channel. So that's how you add your YouTube channel link in your Instagram bio. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments section. I'll reply to you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, or if you're new here, do subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.